Will you be my best man? Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I do not believe this. I do not believe this for a second. I do not believe this for a second. Your eyes are watery. No, you did not. No, you did not. You would have told me.
I'm telling you now. It just happened.
Say you swear. I don't. But no, you're not doing. I don't like this. You're not doing this.
We have.
Look.
This is not real. No, you can't
So
do
is it
this.
a no?
I'm a father of two, dude. You're pulling on my heartstrings. You can't do this to me.
Go on.
You cannot do this to me. You're not being for. Are you being so for real? No, you're not. No, you're not.
Give me a hug.
No, you're not.
I got this for you. It's a little note. Just
My name is Cameron Michael Kennedy. Peyton overheard me saying that he sucks at pranks. So this is what my dumb. So this is what my dumb gets. Ha 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 ha.